How to make better decisions under pressure. Have you noticed how the worst decisions are often made when you feel rushed, tired, or afraid? In calm moments, you think clearly. But under pressure, something changes. Your heart speeds up. Your thinking narrows. And suddenly, urgency replaces wisdom. That's not a character flaw. That's biology. Under pressure, the brain shifts into survival mode. It stops asking, "What's right?" and starts asking, "What ends this discomfort fastest?" In real life, this looks familiar. You say yes when you mean no. You react instead of responding. You choose relief now, and regret later. In 2026, pressure is everywhere. Deadlines. Expectations. Financial strain. And many people are exhausted from making decisions while overwhelmed. Here's the skill no one taught us. Good decisions don't begin with answers. They begin with pause. Even a short pause tells your nervous system, "I'm not in danger." That pause gives your thinking back its depth. It allows values to speak louder than fear. Before deciding, ask one grounding question. What choice will I respect myself for tomorrow? Not the easiest. Not the fastest. The truest. Pressure will always exist. But wisdom grows in the space you create before acting. If this feels like something you need this year, stay here. Subscribe for clarity in a noisy world. Share this with someone carrying too much pressure. Comment if you're learning to pause before choosing. Like and follow Lite Studio, where life is lived with intention, not reaction.